Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kedorbar mang tengka jong jela kelas sedang hagasni thau ding jong tayo ka khatlai tarik ulber arjar arpho hagaban nalor ki report ki bayadai bat kitnat sarkar beper lawan raru ya ki kattu katni teli ki bil na benta ban ya theria tai hagisni banwan jongani kedorbar kabanne hado ka arpsan tarik ulber arjar arpho laban kedau bakat kum ka artikel iwe nyong reu jong ka riti sensyar gari India ulat ke jelau tata gata roy ula plie yakani kedorbar da ka jingkren nengkong Kijingkren ki kentup halor bon tli kimat gibaya daibat ke syongsuk syongsain karoi kapar. Ulat tata gata roy ula ongru bagi kampentrim jong kiseng leno hagani gejela kilahir. Bat namar baka seng New Trap National Liberation Council kalapan pau baka kwa bania kren yesuk no. Kesorkar kalapan bena baka jingkang kan yai pli ya ke HNLC lada kinsenge no ya ki kampentrim. Ula keren ru ya jingjag bedang sujasyan ha HMT ha kabau dekat jang ka KSU usamla lorshai hnyuta ula do ya jingim baru ya jingkan art ka bami hanong ba shalong ka baladon ka jing yap brio ula keren ngok hiaru halor ka jingjag bedang sujasyan ha ga tain sentung ka bahap apo ka maukon ro Community and Rural Development Block East Khasi Hills
Honorable Governor The government reiterates its stand that the doors are open for dialogue, provided they give up their unlawful activities. The government has rehabilitated the cemeteries and disbanded militant colors under the revised scheme for surrender and rehabilitation of militants in the northeast. The state has witnessed agitation and protest by various NGOs against the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 and the demand for implementation of the United Political State. The government has passed a resolution displaying a special session of the Assembly held on 19 December 2019 to implement the NLA under the Economic Frontier Regulation 1873 to ensure better further protection and safeguard the interests of the people of the state. The matter is being actively pursued with the government of India. Mr. Speaker and honorable members, overall agitations against the Citizenship Amendment Act and demand for ILP were effectively handled by the state police. However, in an unfortunate incident that took place on the 28th of February 2020 in Ichamati, Swaras subdivision of East Khasi Hills district, Sri Noshai Ayuka succumbed to his injuries following clashes between two groups. The clashes occurred at a meeting organized by the Khasi Students Union on the CAA and the ILP. The police were swift to take action, and 8 people were arrested following the incident. Magisterial inquiry has also been ordered. Further, the government has released an amount of 2 lakhs of rupees as ex gratia for the next of kin. Medical expenses of those who were injured will also be borne by the government. There were also incidents of assault and stabbings in Shillong where one person succumbed to his injuries. The government has sanctioned an amount of 2 lakhs of rupees for the next of kin from the Chief Minister's Special Grant. All injured are being treated in civil hospital and private hospitals, and their medical expenses will be borne by the government. The police are investigating all those cases and will ensure that justice is done. The state government is deeply concerned about the recent incident of mob lynching in Sintung area. As such incidents stand to mar the good reputation of the state as a peace-loving tourist destination, the government appeals to the citizens of the state to refrain from all such acts of violence in the interest of maintaining peace and harmony in the state. The disputed pockets along the Assembly border are being monitored continuously. Recently, there was a report that senior Assembly revenue officials and police personnel went to Umwali village on the 19th of February 2020 to inspect and survey the site of the inspection of a police outpost. A crowd of militants gathered there to oppose the attempt of Assembly officials to set up the outpost. The Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills district had taken up the authority